This is my honest review of the Sony vlogging camera and whether or not it is worth the money for beginners like me. Okay, so I recently tried out the Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera and I'm going to be ranking it on a few factors. My first level of business is usability. As someone who doesn't know too much about complicated camera settings, I wanted something that's easy to use and understand but still has great quality. For starters, this camera has a designated record button for easy access, which I really like, and it has a mode button instead of one of those dials with a bunch of settings I don't know how to use. It switches between photo, video, and S&Q mode, which is for shooting time lapses or slow-mo, I think. I also added this wireless Sony tripod, which also makes on-the-go shooting super convenient. My second level of business is the video quality. Unlike most popular vlogging cameras I've used, this camera actually lets you switch out the lenses, which is really nice, especially for when you want to get a closer or wider shot. The body of the camera is pretty lightweight and small, which is good for taking it on the go. A downside I noticed is that it doesn't have flash, so if you wanted that for photos and stuff, you would have to buy it separately. My last level of business is the sound quality. I like that there's a side swivel screen because there's a little slot at the top where you can switch out the mic to add a bigger one or even add a windscreen like this one. Although I still prefer my Sony ZV-1 for on-the-go vlogging, the ZV-E10 is perfect for beginners who want similar features but want the freedom of changing lenses.